Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily replace both the engine air filter and the cabin air filter of your Toyota Vios, no mechanic needed. Let's get started. Engine air filter. First, we'll replace the engine air filter. This filter keeps dust and debris from entering your engine, helping it breathe better and run efficiently. Start by opening the hood. Locate the air filter housing. It's a black box usually found on the left or right side of the engine bay. Unclip or unscrew the cover. Next, lift out the old air filter. As you can see, it can accumulate a significant amount of dirt and dust over time. Wipe the inside of the box to remove any debris. Now place the new air filter in the same position. Make sure it fits snugly. Then reattach the cover and clips. That's it, your engine air filter is now clean and ready to go. Part 2. Cabin air filter. Next, let's replace the cabin air filter, the one responsible for cleaning the air that comes through your AC and vents. Open the glove box and remove its contents. Gently press both sides inward to release the stoppers so it drops down. Behind the glove box, you'll see this small rectangular panel. Unclip and remove it to reveal the cabin air filter. Pull out the old filter carefully. Notice the airflow direction arrow. That's important for installation. Now slide in the new cabin filter with the airflow arrow pointing down. Replace the cover. Then lift and snap the glove box back into place. And that's it. You've just replaced both filters on your Toyota Vios in less than 15 minutes. Regular maintenance like this keeps your car running smoothly and your cabin air fresh. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple DIY car maintenance videos. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, everyone.